If you need to change your filter basket on your pump, let me show you how to do that. First of all, come to the lid, lefty-loosey, pull straight up, set that aside. While you are, you might also just check the O-ring to make sure it's clean. It's good. Set that aside, pull the old one out, and then I'll grab the new one to put in. You can clean these filters hundreds and hundreds of times. The problem is when the holes start breaking down, the plastic starts breaking down, and then you have larger holes. It won't stop all the stuff. Then you need a new filter basket. So all you got to do, line up the big hole with the big hole coming from here, and this little notch will fit right in to the little notch there on the pump, so you can't do it wrong. If you do it wrong and it's backwards, let's say it's here, the lid won't shut, and you'll know you have a problem. So you just flip it, line it up, it's good. Then you grab your lid again. Again, you always want to check that O-ring, make sure there's nothing lodged in there. It's real clean. And then on this particular one, it says start. You line it up with the flow of the water. Just sit in there, and then you turn it righty-tighty. And that's it. These are great lids, great baskets.